YouTube, what it do, man? It's about 39220. We checking back in with another video, man. Like I always say, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow my social media, bar__touring and _39220. Alright, so man, today, bro, we finna try and go a little crazy, bro. We finna do a POV. I'm gonna try and do a little something. Today I probably actually go crazy because it ain't as wet as it usually be, bro. So we just gonna do a little something today. Let the windows down. Yeah, we finna cut up for y'all today. We finna cut up for y'all today. We finna cut up for y'all today. Yeah, we cutting up today. Turn right here. Told y'all it was gonna be a day I just get on here and go crazy, man. And today looks like that day. Today looks like that day. Woo! They be chill out, man. They boy ain't playing in the wet, boy. We getting a little action in, bro. I'm just gonna hit Backstreet right now, bro. Cause she going crazy right now. I ain't gonna do nothing right here. We might turn this to a slide in every corner video, bro, in the rain, bro. But look, bro, my baby, she be leaving everything in her daddy car. Yeah, we gonna go a little crazy, bro. Hopefully ain't nobody coming right here. Nope. I don't really want to just, you know, like just slide it. Because I know if I just slide it, that more gonna go. Because it's already trying to do it when I'm just mashing it a little bit. But yeah, this gonna be a little slide in there corner video. I thought it was gonna be a little kind of POV, but we just going crazy right now. I gotta find some more Backstreets to hit, so I can go stupid. It looked like them folks that was in that black car, they were trying to get me to go around them too. I just paid that attention, that's crazy. If I try and match the gas, bro, this mother not gonna keep straight. Oh, they doing it a little bit. I just can't mash it though, like how I really want to. The Backstreet's the best place to do it, bro, cause I ain't gotta worry about no police. Well, I do, but at the same time, I really don't, because they ain't as hot as they is, like, you know, like on the main streets. So that'll be like the best place to do it. And I ain't gonna count, bro. I'm doing this video now, but I'm gonna go and post this video today. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. We're gonna get this video out, because I ain't got no more appointments at the shop. That's really why I'm doing it. I did my appointments that I had, and I ain't got none set for later. So, hey, we're gonna make a video. See if I can go back here in this parking lot and go crazy real quick. Dang, why it look like this truck following me up in here? Oh, nah. Let me see. It ain't even no space really to just go crazy. It's a little space. We're gonna give it a little turn. I don't even really need to the traction off for real. Okay, maybe I do. Let me see. I'm turning around thing out. Alright, let's see. Get a list. Alright, so we just did a little something, bro. I ain't gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna be in the grass if I try to do that right now, man. Check my tires, bro, cause I know my tires was already bald. Well, almost bald. Okay, we got a little tread. We straight, bro. We got a little tread. I'm gonna have to get some new tires soon though, but we straight for right now. We can finish this little video out. Out in front of me and they see me flying, man. That's how people be having wrecks, bro. I wouldn't even know what hit him, bro. Golly. I know that wind probably going crazy right now, bro. Be wanting to let y'all hear with the windows down, but they just had a wreck, bruh. I know y'all just heard that. They literally just had a wreck at this light, bruh. That's crazy. That's why I don't be want to go too crazy when I do like videos in the rain, bruh, because I know how my car is, bruh. I know exactly how my car is. They really just had a wreck, bro. This like my second or third video I was recording and I done caught a wreck, bro. What that's telling me, man? That's probably telling me I need to be the neighborhood cameraman, because I done caught 3 wrecks. I knew I wasn't tripping. When I heard it, it was like, huh? It sounded weird. And when I looked at my review, they wrecked. A little car ran into a work truck. I was gonna slide right there with that lady in the street. I ain't gonna scare her like that. Slide right here. Especially if it ain't no traffic coming. And it ain't. what it's looking like back here. Go. I would say you got it. Go on, go. I ain't just gonna slide it like super crazy, but I'm gonna slide it now. It look like it's too many of them little middle things that I just had going down that way. And I think this street right here bumpy. Oh no, it ain't. They fixed. We straight. See, bro, with it being wet, I ain't really gotta mash the gas for real. See how like I'm just tapping the gas and she's still sliding. But if I mash it, then it more might spin out of control, and that's what I don't want to do. That's why I'm just barely giving it gas. Cause if it goes to spinning out of control, I know I ain't gonna be able to control it. Get out the neighborhood, man. I ain't even ride all the way through. Get out of here before they be caught up. There's a white Charger around here doing things. Oh, I know y'all heard that. Y'all had to. I think I need to go back to that little parking lot and do a better donut for y'all, and then they're gonna wrap up the video. Yeah, I might do that. If I'm doing that though, I should have got a niche lane so I can go straight and be right there. Come on now, get out of the way. Told y'all it was a wreck, bro. I know y'all heard it. We finna pull up right on the side of it, and that's crazy. Told you, a little car hit a work truck. Let me let the window up so they won't see us looking over there. Told y'all it was a wreck. I knew I wasn't tripping. Ooh, it seems so little, but they done messed the front up. It's an old lady or an old man in there. What? Look at it. Ooh. He hit the mobile, he hit the, school board. Ain't no way the school board riding that raggedy truck. Something ain't right. Is that really the school board? Hey, look, I know what I can do, YouTube, bro. Instead of going to that little parking lot right there, bro, I'm finna, should I go to the swing pit? The swing pit kind of farther out. Yeah, I'm gonna go to this little parking lot. It is what it is. Look, I'm gonna cut the camera back. Alright, so man, YouTube, bro, I was gonna do the little burnout, bro, but we gonna wrap up this video, bro. Cause tell me why I came over here, bro, and there's a police sitting right back in the back. So, yeah, I see him. So we just gonna wrap up the video, bro.